What if I told you that birds are actually dinosaurs? That's not clickbait, it's science. Birds evolved from theropod dinosaurs over 150 million years ago. Every time you see a pigeon, you're looking at a dino's descendant. Ostriches, parrots, even chickens, they're all modern dinosaurs. And those feathers? Dino DNA at work. So next time a bird chirps outside your window, just know, a dinosaur is saying hello. T-Rex bird like if your mind's blown. Thanks for watching. See you next time with interesting topic. Have a good day.